Hi guys, I'm Jesslaine. Sorry it took me forever to make these videos about problems that people have sent in. Sorry, I've been a little busy, but I want to do these more often. And I know it's summer, but still send them to me. And then when the school year starts, hopefully I'll get a lot and we'll be able to do these like short little videos of just answering like problems you need help with. Along with my YouTube channel. And so that will be cool. So, you did see the problem at the very beginning of this video, so that's the one we're going to be solving. It is x squared minus 3 equals 46, and I'm going to solve it, and then I'll show you like what you need to plug into the boxes the way that they showed it. So the first thing is like, don't let this scare you, this x squared scare you. Just solve it exactly how you would do a normal problem. Isolate the x. Since it's not a quadratic and it doesn't have x squared and an x, you don't set it up equal to 0. So we're just trying to isolate the x, okay? Not even with the square, but first of all, if we want to isolate this term, minus 3, we're going to add 3 to both sides because the inverse operation. So you add 3 to both sides and you get x squared is equal to 49, okay? So you get x squared is equal to 49 here. And then, I guess I can do this, yeah. X squared is equal to 49. And so now you need to just know 1x. So again, we do the inverse operation. If you don't know the inverse operation of squaring a number, the inverse operation of squaring a number is taking the square root. And I'll prove that to you because like, let's say 5 squared is 25. So 5 squared is 25, but if we take the square root of 25, we get 5 again. So we're back at that base number. So it undid each other. So squaring a number and taking the square root are inverse operations. Since this number is squared, the inverse operation of that is square root. So I'm going to take the square root of both sides. Well, the square root of x squared is x because x times x is x squared. Remember, whatever times itself gives you that inside. And then the square root of 49, what times itself gives you 49? That would be 7. The tricky thing is here, though, is that there are 2 answers. Because 7 is not the only one that when you square it gives you 49. What is the other number? The other number is actually -7 too, because -7 times -7 also gives you 49, because if you remember your integer rules, then two negatives make a positive. Okay, so anytime you take the square root, of a number, you have to do the positive version and the negative version. Okay, now the way it was showed on the problem, I know, trying to make. The way it was showed on the problem is it says x equals and it has a box, or x equals and it has a box, and then it goes x squared minus 3 equals 46, and x squared, oh, what? Not that, not x squared. And minus 3 equals 46. So basically all it wants you to do once you solve that, x equals 7 or x equals -7, because 7 squared minus 3, so 7 squared is 49, minus 3 does equal 46, and -7 squared minus 3 does equals 42 again. And that's how you solve that problem. Thank you.